Good morning, students. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Community in India, which is next unit. Unit 8. What do you think about community? We know that different types of communities, urban, rural, not only in geographical factors as well as people relationships, including teachers community, nurses community, online community, etc. In this unit we are going to detail about communities in India. First, introduction to community. It's an important concept in sociology. If there is no community, there is no society. Two or more communities are together form a society. So, study of sociology, community is important part. Yes, community is part of society. Then theories regarding community explain about community development and social development. If community develop, then only society will be developed. Various models are having. Then determine health status. Community is a fundamental factor to determine health status of people. Then community health nursing. Hence, the study of community is essential for nursing to understand about client. Also is one of the important specialty in nursing, community health nursing. Hence, study of sociology as well as study of community is essential in nursing. Then human ecology. The fact is that the community divided according to the human ecological factor, environmental factors. For example, urban ecologies differ from rural ecology or environment. Ecology is a branch of biology, the study of relation between organism and their environment. In sociology, the term human ecology means the study of interrelationship with their physical environment. So each community having different types of physical environment. As we know, urban city, there is no green, industrialized. But in rural, people, agricultural job, the geographic and physical environment is different. Human beings constantly adjusting to their environment. For example, if change the environment, human try to adjust to make comfortable. So we need to know about human ecology and the relation between environment and human beings in the communities. Then define human ecology is a branch of sociology concerned especially with study of temporal interrelationship between human being and their economic, social and political organization. Meaning of community, sentiment of common living. Students, the word sentiment, keep it your mind. So people emotionally attach with each other in particular community. Then define community according to WHO. Community is a social group determined by geographical boundaries and common values and interests. Its members know and interact with each other. It functions particular social structure and exhibit, creates certain norms, values and social institutions. Keywords just underline: geographical boundaries, common, values and interest. Interest means likeness. Members known with each other. Main function is that this create social structure, norms and values, as well as social institutions such as familial institutions, economic institutions created by the community. Next, we are going to detail about nature of community. First, a group of people. Every community having different types of groups. For example, familial groups, religious groups, economic groups, political groups. These all the groups are together form a community. Then within a geographical area, a particular community having unique geography. For example, urban geography and rural geography. 3. Common culture and social system. Every community having unique culture and pattern of behavior. For example, urban having different due to their physical characters. 4. Conscious their unity. The people of community more conscious towards their unity and cooperate with each other and work together. 5. Can act collectively. The more collectivism is more maximum in rural area than urban. Then types of community. There are three types of community according to study: rural community, urban community, and regional community. Just keep it in your mind: urban, rural, regional. Next, we are going to detail about rural community. Rural may be called as villages. Is a rural sociology, is a specialization in sociology, is a field of sociology associated with study of social life in non-metropolitan areas. Look at this picture: cattle. Because actual pictures. Cultivation, agriculture is the main job of the rural people. Look at these pictures. Then define rural. It is a cluster of living within a narrow territorial radius who share a common way of life. Underline: share, common. Next definition: people living in physical area who have common interest, common way of stratifying them. Common interest means common likeness. For example, rural people, their own same kind of interest. Then stratifying their needs by means of the agricultural occupations and more indigenous. Look at these pictures: Indian village life. Water is a main problem. Clean water. Next, evolution of village community. First, primitive villages. Primitive villages means a village very old. I think this Stone Age. Second, medieval villages is a middle age, and these villages are governed by king in India. Three, modern villages. Modern villages are equipped with modernization, computerization, mechanization, as we know that. Features of village community. First feature, community consciousness. People of village more conscious and sentiment than city. Second, role of neighborhood. Neighbors in the villages doing vital role. Mutual understanding, cooperate with each other, work together, help with each other. Mainly extended families, they are relatives. Three, joint family. In traditional Indian villages, filled with joint family system. In a family, more than one family living. They share their properties and shelter, etc. Fourth one, faith in religion. Village people having more faith towards religion than other communities. 5. Simplicity. The way of living is very, very simple. Low cost material only use, maximum fulfill their needs within the villages. Look at this picture. Look at this in left side, cattle, is a olden villages. In right side is a modern villages, tractors, this is a mechanization in agriculture. Then growth of village community. How villages are grow? First, topographical factors, which means factors including land, water and climate. If enough water, good climate, the people able to cultivate and good agricultural production, the village will be grow. Second, economic factors. For example, agricultural economy, condition of agriculture, rural economy, mainly cottage industries, small scale industries based on agriculture, able to grow the village. Third one, social factors. Peace, security, coordination and integration. As we know that village people more coordination, they work together than other communities or other communities. Look at this picture. Work together in agriculture and try to produce more agricultural production in Indian villages. Fifth heading, village community in India. This question is very important in the examination. So this section is important. 73% of total population living in villages. Then characteristics of Indian villages. First, isolation and self-sufficiency. Isolation means the villages are totally separated from other communities. That's why government lot of programs, that program tried to connect the people with other communities, mainly urban communities. And self-sufficiency. They don't depend on other people. They produce themselves and satisfy their needs. Second, peace and simplicity. Indian villages are more peace and simple way of life as we had been learned. Third one, conservation. Conservation is a unique character of Indian villages, which means these people don't like to change their culture. If modern technology enter in Indian villages, difficult to adopt that technology due to conservative characters. Fourth one, poverty and illiteracy. Maximum of Indian villages living under the poverty line, but nowadays India have been grow. Then illiteracy. Lack of education in Indian villages. There is no schools. In comparatively South India and North India, in North India and villages are more illiterate than South Indians. Fifth one, local self-government. Modern Indian villages are governed by panchayat system. Then changes in Indian rural life. First change, caste system has been changed. As we know, in traditional Indian villages, caste hierarchy, high caste people and dominate. Nowadays there is no caste system, equality, democracy. There is no untouchability in modern villages. Next change is that Jajami system. Jajami means there is no money use, only exchange of materials. For example, give coconut and buy rice. There is no money system. That system has been changed into money. Change into money. Third one, family system has been changed. In olden Indian villages or joint family system, nowadays gradually reduce into joint family, into nuclear family and extended families. Next change, marriage system has been changed. As we know, maximum of traditional marriages are child marriages, but in modern villages there is no child marriage. Fifth one, living standards has been changed. Standard of living has been standardized, mainly concerning individual rights have been protected. Sixth one, economic system. In olden villages, there is village economy. The people satisfy their needs within himself. But in modern villages, people produce products and export to other countries and other regions. Next, political system has been changed. In olden villages are governed by caste panchayat, as we know, but modern villages are governed by village panchayat, governed by people. Village panchayat system. So these are the changes in Indian rural life. Next we are going to rural problems. First problem, agricultural problems, unskilled methods. Old methods used which is create low productivity. Second problem, old tool. Many Indian villages nowadays us using old tool which is reducing the productions. There is no scientific methods used or tools used. Then underdeveloped seeds. For example, rice production, paddy, is 6 months may be taken in one crop. But modern seeds are within 3 months began yielding. Then small farms, which is major issue in India. Every individual having a farm, small agricultural land, which create low productivity and issues. Then shortage of irrigation. Look at this picture. Schools, Indian villages, education, there is lack of transportation, healthcare issues are there. Second, economic problems, mainly lack of organization, mainly economic organizations, then high rate of interest, then lack of transportation and communication. Student, this is an important issue. If a village produce any products, difficult to transport due to lack of road facilities. That's why our government lot of measures take to connect the every villages to the cities. Then communication and lack of internet facilities, mainly concerning the refrigerated facility. For example, if you produce vegetable, within 2 or 3 days it may be destroyed. The village need a good refrigerated facilities and storing these food products, and which is major issue. The lack of technology. Maximum of many Indian villages till nowadays there is no internet facilities, and people difficult to connect with others. Then underdeveloped vegetation, which cause low productivity in economy of Indian villages. Next issue, social problems. Mainly illiteracy is a major problem. Next, poverty, unemployment, healthcare issues. So unemployment is a issue which cause the people migrated from rural to urban area. So this is the end of the today's class. Remaining we will be learn next class, which is measure to solve the rural problems. Okay. Next is going to questions. Question time.